I got this lawnmower from Facebook Market, and it was not running. And the owner, he said he didn't start it for a while. I checked the oil. There's oil, and it won't start. So I'm gonna try to see what's going on with it. So I pulled the air filter. It's not that clean, but it's not in a bad condition.